Hello friends, this is Bhavik. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you on a virtual visit of Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Garden. Welcome to Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Garden, a hidden gem nested in the heart of Dorset, England. As soon as you enter into the park, you will spot a barn cafe on the right with some indoor soft play area. In this animal park, you will be able to see some rabbits, guinea pigs, ponies, donkeys, goats, sheep, pigs, and variety of birds, including cockerels, chickens, swans, ducks, geese, and peacocks. These two beautiful ponies enjoying their food. Pigs are enjoying the fresh grass. The sheep seems quite relaxing. Beautiful little lamb with their mother. This beautiful goat is being fed by kids. Oh, this beautiful peacock is spreading its feathers. It is amazing. This park also has beautiful children's play area and lots of picnic benches. The beauty of Kingston Maurward doesn't end with its animals. The park also has stunning gardens. These gardens are paradise for nature lovers. Let's visit the gardens. This garden looks even more beautiful in the summer when there are lots of summer flowers. This 35 acres of beautifully restored garden has beautiful big lake as well. Let's do the lakeside walk. My kids had lots of fun climbing a tree. You can enjoy this beautiful lakeside walk with the sound of bird songs. As soon as you pass this beautiful little waterfall, you will be at the other side of the lake. Here you will have a feeling of walking into the forest. In these woodlands, you may be able to spot some rats, frogs, butterflies, swan and lots of other birds. Friends, I'm sure you are enjoying this Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Gardens virtual visit with me. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Thank you very much friends for joining me on this virtual visit to Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Garden. I hope you have enjoyed this sneak peek of what this wonderful place has to offer. If you are ever in Dorset, be sure to visit in person and experience the magic of Kingston Maurward Animal Park yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, bye bye.